In the previous video, we learned that the sum of two complex numbers z1 and z2 is defined as the sum of real parts of the two complex numbers and sum of imaginary parts of two complex numbers, giving rise to the real part and imaginary part of the new complex number z1 plus z2. In this video, we will be learning to find the difference of two complex numbers that is z1 minus z2. Let z1 equal to a plus bi and z2 equal to c plus di be any two complex numbers. Then the difference z1 minus z2 is defined as follows. To understand it better, let us consider an example. Let 6 plus 3i and 2 minus I be any two complex numbers, and we need to find out the difference of two given complex numbers. So this term can also be written as like this. We did it to make the term look like addition, and now since it is of the form z1 plus z2, we can simply add these two and get the difference of given complex numbers. So now adding 6 and minus 2 and 3 and 1 to get z1 minus z2, which is equal to 4 plus 4i. Let us look at the same problem in different manner. Instead of writing 2 minus I as minus 2 plus I, let us directly subtract it as we do in addition. But first, we need to remove the brackets and adjust the sign. So now, it will be 6 plus 3i minus 2 plus I. Now, solve the equation as we used to do in lower classes. 6 minus 2 plus I, 3 plus 1, and it will be 4 plus 4i. Thus, we received the same result. Many of you might be still having some doubts related to subtracting two complex numbers. No worries. Let us consider one more example. Let z1 equal to 3 minus 2i and z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i be any two complex numbers. So now the difference z1 minus z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i minus 4 plus 3i. So now as we looked in the previous slide, we are going to do the same with this also. Now simply open the brackets, which will look like 3 minus 2i plus 4 minus 3i, and now solve it as we used to do in the lower classes. 3 plus 4 minus 2 plus 3i. Isn't it simple? Which will be equal to 7 minus 5i. So we can clearly see that the addition and subtraction of two complex numbers is quite similar, and subtraction satisfies all the properties that were satisfied by addition, which we have looked in the previous video. In the next video, we will be looking at the multiplication of two complex numbers and its properties.